Hello, everybody. Don't know why my voice cracked like that, but in this video, I'm going to show you this silver Christmas holiday New Year glam with a berry lip, and gotta say, I really like it. Things didn't quite turn out as they should have, but that's because I'm missing stuff in my makeup collection. I made a couple mistakes, but it's okay. I can still go out like this. Yeah, let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, so it's been a couple weeks since I filmed anything. This mic is too far away from me. Hopefully that's fine. But yeah, it's been a couple weeks. I went on vacation and then I came back and I don't know. It happens to me every time. I just end up not filming anymore as much as I'm trying to be consistent. It's not working. Also, today I was just in a funk and I sat down to film I think twice. And I just really didn't want to film. And then I just got mad at myself. So it was like the fourth or third time, I don't know how many times, but another attempt on the same day to try and film. But I'm going to try and film a cool toned holiday makeup look. Don't know why it took me so long to get that up, but yeah, I'm going to do a cool toned silver eye with a berry lip for the holidays. I already have my base on. I put some bronzer on because the main focus is going to be the eyes anyways, and the lips. But yeah, I'm gonna just use this old Eye of Horus palette that I have. They no longer sell it, I believe, but you guys can just use any like silver and black that you have. You don't need this palette specifically. But I think I'm gonna just start off with this light color just to set. Where's my mirror? Okay, just to set like the top half, and then I might just go in with my bronzer in the crease just to have a little warmth in the cool. I think it should work out fine. If not, you guys probably will never see this. And I've been wearing this makeup, like the foundation and bronzer, all day, so it's a bit lived in, but that's okay. But yeah, I'm just mainly going to like set the top half of my lid. I want where my brow bone is, I want the lid to remain somewhat tacky until I add like the glitter at least. And I'm not using any eyeshadow base, I literally just have foundation on. I'm gonna just take my finger and dip it into the silver like so. I'm just gonna add this to the center for now. I think we're gonna do a simple halo eye. It's gonna be a simple halo eye. Nothing too fancy. I'm not one for complicated makeup looks anyways. So yeah, I'm just gonna layer this in the center for now. And I can always add more. Like I said. And in the crease, I'm going to take my bronzer. You can take whatever brown eyeshadow or bronzer you would like. And just start blending it into the crease. I kind of want more of a round shape for my halo eye, so I'm trying not to wing it out. But I feel like I always end up winging out my eyeshadow anyways. That's good enough for now. I just need a light wash. Then I'm going to take a smaller brush. And I'm going to take the black color, charcoal. Yeah, I think it's more black, but I'm not sure. But yeah, just the dark color, and I'm gonna start placing this on the outer and inner corner of my lips. And I'm gonna be careful not to get it too in my tear duct area because I know it'll like really look muddy and more like I have a black eye probably. Which is, no one wants a black eye on like their Christmas party or holiday party, you know? I don't think that's ideal for anybody. Yeah, so how have you guys been doing? Leave it in the comments down below what you've been up to. Like I said, I was on vacation. I went on a family cruise. Well, with my boyfriend's family. And yeah, we went to Mexico. And we got to see some Mayan ruins, which I always enjoy some history on my trips. Kind of misplaced it a little bit, but it's okay. It's a messy, smoky halo eye. Just gonna go with that. I'm gonna take a little bit more of a bronzer to start to like blend it. I'm debating connecting over the silver. I might not. I might just leave it like that, but I definitely messed up on this eye. I took the black a little far off. Don't know if I can fix that. So we're gonna leave it be. You know what? I'll just try to fix it. I'm gonna actually just take it up a little higher then. I'm trying to match it up on the inner corner as well with it. I actually really like this. It's like so simple. And then the black is like really has a slight sheen to it as well. Like this eye came out more pointed and this one's more rounded, so we're gonna have two different shapes, which is normal for me, but okay. Maybe I can round it out more later. I don't know. Should I just wing it out? I wish you guys could just talk to me right now. Let me know. Let's just wing it out. And I haven't added yet any concealer, so if I get some fallout, I'll just fix it up with some concealer. I literally don't use concealer that much often. That didn't make any sense. I don't use concealer that often anymore. I really will just put the foundation all over my face, under my eyes and my lids, and call it a day. Alright, I'll fix the shape more in a second. But I think I'm just focused on the lower lash line. I'm just gonna take the dark satiny black color again and just smudge it. It's gonna be really simple. I don't need 10 billion colors underneath my eye. But yeah, just smudge it like so and kind of help the shape. That I want, even though it's not what I wanted, because I always wing out my eyeshadow, but it didn't work out that way. Gonna go back in with the silver in the center just to bring that back. To get a little bit of fallout, but I think it's fine. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. I tried to find my black liner to do my waterline, but I'll do it off. I'm gonna just do it with this next milk pencil since it's all that I got. I have misplaced all my makeup. Like I'm missing half my makeup brushes from when I went on the trip, plus like my brow products I had to like fish out for something else in my collection that I haven't touched in years. And I miss my boy brow. Okay. I need my brow gel. But I'll be right back with you guys. Just gonna do my waterline. What is it called? I'm gonna put liner on my lash line. I'll be back. So I rarely put a liner in my waterline at all. Is it called waterline? Why does that sound so wrong? It sounds wrong. Anyways, I rarely put any eyeliner in my waterline, but I want to start doing that. And yeah, so I put black in my waterline. I'm gonna add some more mascara. I'm gonna use this Mad Hippie one. This Mad Hippie Mascara isn't all that bad. I really like it actually. It's not good for volume, but it does make your lashes black. And I think it lasts all day because I had it on all day today. Which would be the second time I've worn it since I've gotten it, but I think it adds nice length to the lashes too. I would add false lashes if I had any. I haven't worn false lashes in years. I probably wouldn't even know how to put them on anymore. Honestly. Though for some looks it would be really nice to just have a nice set of false lashes to add to the drama. Alright, that's enough for mascara. I don't think it really layers all that well on top of itself. Might try layering again in a second. But that is the eyes. I really wish I knew how to put lashes on still, or even owned any. I don't. This video is all over the place. Oh man, I don't even have my highlighting brush. I didn't even put highlight on. Gosh dang it. Well, I'm gonna use some highlight to brighten the inner corner. Okay, this brush doesn't really want to pick up the highlight that I'm trying to use. I'm trying to go with my pinky. I really don't want to overdo it. This is gonna be impossible without getting it everywhere. I give up. But now I don't have any way to put highlighter on my cheeks before I move on to the lips. I need to find all the stuff I misplaced from this trip. I don't know. This is another reason why I wasn't gonna film today either, because I don't have half the junk I need. Do you think if I use this puff, I doubt that this will work to apply highlighter. I'm gonna try it anyways. Let's see. Yep, nope. Well guys, I guess highlight isn't gonna be a part of this look, unfortunately. But I'm gonna try and highlight my bone. Highlight my bone. Highlight my brow bone. Oh. I'm gonna try using this brush. Dual fiber, don't know how well that's gonna work. It might just end up everywhere, but I'm gonna try pinching it. And it's not dense enough to pick up this highlighter. You know what? I'm gonna add blush anyways. It's okay. I need all the glitz and glam. This is a holiday look, you know? Did that work at all? I think I added some. It's fine. I just have to get my life together. And for the lips and the blush, because I'm gonna use the lipstick I'm using, I'm gonna attempt to use it as blush. Though, I also do not have a makeup sponge, which I had to put my foundation on with my fingers, because I don't have a foundation brush. But I'm gonna use a Eldridge Velvet Mint lipstick. I love it. I brought it on the cruise with me. I wore it for like the dinner night thing that we went to, that they always have. Like they always have one fancy night, you know. I wore it for that. But I also don't have my lip brush, so excuse the lip line. But I'm gonna apply this now. Excuse me. Wow, the lipstick applies so smoothly too. It like doesn't tug at the lips. Oh god. The lip line looks terrible. But the color, gorgeous. Gorgeous. So lip line is beyond terrible, but we're just gonna ignore that. Another thing I should invest in is lip liners. More brushes, big brushes, more lip liner. Some eyeliners would be nice. There I go, making a mess. But yeah, I really by myself. I'm all over it. I'm gonna have to cut out so much of this video because I'm just talking about nothing. Jack Diddley squat. But back to the lipstick. I love this color. And I think this is like a perfect holiday color. You know, if you don't want to go too bold with the red, this is the perfect alternative. Nice, very, very pink. And I think it pairs nicely with the silvery satin eyes. Gonna attempt to use this as blush. Don't know how well this is gonna work out since I don't have a sponge. My brain blinked out. I haven't filmed in 2 weeks and this is what happens apparently. I'm debating if I should just use my fingers and tap tap like I usually do with cream blushes, or I can attempt to like smudge it on my hand and use this brush to apply it. Should I use this brush? Be on the safe side? I'll try it. I don't know how well this is gonna work out, guys. Putting some on my hand like so. And let's see how this works. I'm gonna smush the brush around and then try to apply it to my cheeks. Can't tell if it's like taking off my foundation. Whoa, I look like a clown in the viewfinder. Well, guys, I definitely got the blush on. I went a little too low with it. So I'm gonna add some more foundation to the cheeks area to try and like, you know, I don't know, try to make this work out better somehow. Not my best blush application, but that I should have known better. That brush was a little too big for the cheeks and I didn't aim high enough. It's okay. This works as a blush too, guys. Just one, it's very pigmented. It's a light hand, and two, find the right brush size for your cheeks. Like I like to aim for the apples and then go up. I kind of went like and just kind of smacked it on my cheek. You know, just smacked it there. It's okay. I'd rather have more blush than no blush. Or maybe honestly it doesn't look that bad. Maybe. I don't know. Well guys, all in all, I do like this look. It's not perfect, but you know, I am perfectly imperfect and I love that about me. Alright guys, so that was the tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, as much of a mess as I am. I really enjoyed this look overall. In the viewfinder I still look like a clown, but that's okay. I like a lot of blush. And I tend to always overdo it with cream blushes. So, nothing new here. Yeah, you guys can recreate this look very easily. Just get a nice deep berry lip color, some silver eyeshadow, and if you don't want to go as dark as black, though it's not as black because it has like micro glitters in it, so it's very sheeny all throughout, but you know, just use some grays, some deep grays that's like a step up from black, and then you can recreate this simple smoky halo eye. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, guys, so I can see you in my future uploads. We can become best friends, you know? And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.